Okay guys, all the thumbs up, shipping, the unboxing. So hopefully your package will arrive, so that gives you some confidence from Bobcat. Again, we're trying to make this video quicker because it went on a bit. If you've got any concerns about where is your package, they have made a nice website and shipping tab. Bobcat main website tells you all the orders and when they're going to arrive. So your order may well be not arriving till Christmas if you just ordered it recently. But yeah, they're on Twitter, but they're connected to the website now, so it's much better. Okay, just scroll up there. I like that. Okay, scene 2. So, don't know if we need it big really, but let's lose that. Trying to make these quick because these can easily ramble. So yeah, basically you get a box. You get some foam. Oh, I've already taken it out. Save some speed, and you get a card, some instructions. The only problematic thing is people looking in amongst these bags, these screws. And what's what you really need, the important thing is one of those. Well, you probably already got one anyway, so don't worry too much about that. You have to watch the instructions. So, super fast. Lose this. And inside we have Bobcat. And for speed, plugged in the antenna. It's a male cable into a female socket. Usually it's females on the device. And you do get like your 12 volt. We'll plug that in just to show you the disco lights. Red is normal when you first plug it in. Okay. So yeah, the only thing is when you get on this thing is obviously there's a plug on the end, but I won't show you that. But it is a Euro socket, which is a bit annoying for people in the UK. So yeah, you do need like your holiday, well, not your holiday plug because that's the wrong one. But luckily I had a shaver, like a shaver socket, so you can, you know, 3-way and then a 2-way. I don't know. Should I show you that quickly? This is what we mean, guys. You get a damn Euro socket, so a bit of luck you have one of these. That's quite important. So people could go out and buy one of these before it arrives. Okay, I hope that doesn't make the video too extra long. But yeah, so we get the red light. And there is, we can show you back here. Awkward. There's a pin here. And if you want to connect it to your phone, you need to do the pin. So it's quite a simple device. Don't make it too complicated. You can slide this off if you need your serial numbers and all that under there. I expect this will be a pain down in doesn't like being on camera. Already I noticed it's camera shy. I should have the yellow light really. Oh, the yellow light. It's torque sensitive, isn't it? Yeah, if you want to connect the phone, I'm going to show the phone stuff in another video because I don't know, you could not do it without it. But the fact is, I've got it on wireless. You can have it into the internet. I felt safer doing that. I did do it that way, but now I'm confident with Wi-Fi, and it should turn green as well. So that's all you could do, you know. And then you could, I will just show you that Bluetooth bit. Put the pin in. Hopefully it should turn blue. Was being a bit of a pain. Turn blue. So then you can, when it's in blue mode, you can connect the phone. As I said, we won't do that today because it's just a simple unboxing video. I did say I would show you. They're the pins. It's RP SMA. The male is the aerial. I don't know if I've shown you that yet. Actually, yeah, this is the other end of the aerial. So this wire goes down, and it's got the male pin here, which goes into that's the female. So the screw thread is here. This is the outside of the nut, and this is the inside. Just in case you're worried about connectors or you want to go out and buy a bigger antenna before it arrives. But once that's plugged in, we're not Bluetoothing the phone. It has got the checklist on here, and it's already synced because it is an unboxing. But I have set it up because I can't make videos really the day I get things. I have to get them all working so I'm professional to talk about. But there's 7 stages which you get on the phone. Blockchain sync, which we've done, hotspot status, create a challenge, witness a challenge, witnesses, participate. So you could just use this on your computer and wait until it syncs, and away you go. But because it takes, sort of the main thing I have to warn people is, it takes 1, 2, maybe 48 hours, maybe longer to get it synced. I don't know why it synced so slow. I was quite fast to the other people. In the Discord, there is a Discord as well. Could just show you that. If you scroll right down here, see there's a Discord button. You can chat to some people in here. That's what I did. And you know, if you're there for 3 days or something, you might want to chat to some other people, and they'll teach you some things like like the ports and stuff. If you click on some other ones, I don't think it's this guy. I think it's not him. Relayed hotspots. A lot of people talk about that in the Discord. But I think that's it really for this video. Especially the unboxing. You could set it up, leave it for a few days and be synced. Simple as that. But the next video will deal with some impatient things that you might do. Anyway, game over. Thumbs up. See you later guys. Press the hotkey for the finish.